Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Vibrating Egg with remote control. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Vibrating Egg and remote control itself. So this is a very easy to use vibrating egg. As you can see, it has a bent tip just here, and it's also made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft to touch and it will feel very comfortable during use as well. This vibrating egg comes with 10 different vibration settings and can be used with the remote control in a 20-meter range with the wireless remote. So to turn on the vibrating egg, press and hold down, and a little blue ring will come around. Press once more and it's on. To change the setting, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To use the remote, simply press and hold on the bottom button and it's connected. You can use the plus button to increase the vibration settings or the minus to decrease. To turn off, press and hold on the bottom button and it's off. Make sure to turn the vibrating egg off as well by pressing and holding down until the blue light has gone. And it's off. To charge, it's really simple to do. Simply remove the cap at the tail just here, and using the USB charging cable provided, simply pop it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. The drawstring here is flexible, so insertion and removal is easy. And when using this egg, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the egg after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the Teazers Vibrating Egg and remote control. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.